Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can get iOS 16 feature in iOS 15. So if you're using iPhone 6, 5, 7 and you want to customize your iPhone like iOS 16, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's get started the video. So first of all, go to App Store, then download this VG Widgets app. So once you have downloaded the app, open the app, then go to Explore, scroll down, then import this. So I have already imported this, so you can import this. So once you have imported iOS 16 widgets, then here is the dynamic island, so you can choose this one. There's a lot of other dynamic island which you can choose this one right here. Click on import. So once you're done, go back to create option. Now click on it. Now you can customize it if you want, then go back. Now simply click on manage, then simply click on set transparent background, click on add wallpaper. So make sure that you select the screenshot of empty screen, then simply click on OK. Now select your phone, it will generate the image. Now you can choose the widgets, so you can choose this large one. Now select this widget, click on OK. Now click on yes. Once it's applied, done, go back, hold on to the home screen, click on plus icon, then search for the VG app. Now select the large one. So here you go, click on add widget. So as you can see, so this is how you can guys customize your iPhone. So you can also add the dynamic island on your iPhone. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.